This beautiful all-white cat is named Blanco. And Blanco is a bit of a Maine Coon mix. Now she's much smaller than you would expect a Maine Coon to be, but she's got that beautiful long Coon coat and ear tufts and big mane around her neck. Oh, she is one beautiful girl. Now, Blanca was surrendered by her owner along with one of her babies named Mitzi. Mitzi's full grown now, though, but she is Blanco's baby. They don't have to go home together, but if you're looking for two cats to get along and who might like living together, then that might be an opportunity for you to look into. Blanca's very, very affectionate. She likes to be held. She's a super lap cat, super sweet and loving. She's a personal assistant felinality, which means that she is one of those cats who wants to hang out with you all day long, so she's giving me kisses. So if you're at the computer, she'll be at the computer. If you're reading a book, she'll be right there next to you. And she is just a sweetheart through and through. So if you're looking for a great companion cat, or maybe two, come on down and say hello to Blanco. And if you have a mind to, take a look at her baby girl, Mitzi. This is Blanco, available at Wayside.